Hey guys, it's Shoes with Style, and I have a little unboxing for you guys. I already had cut the box, so today we have the LeBron 10s. So start off with the box. It says LeBron right there. And when you flip it, it says James. So that's pretty cool to me. And got a Nike swoosh here, and we got a Nike swoosh on the other side. So I wear an 8.5 or an 8, and these shoes retail for $170. Focus. It's not gonna focus, but sorry guys. So let's just jump right into it. These are the LeBron 10s. The colorway is back it up. Is black, black, hyper black, crimson, and hyper. I'm not sure if that means, but yep. These are them. So to start off with, we have a mesh tongue with the all black LeBron logo. We have the gum bottom with the LeBron sign right there, the LJ. We have the flywire running through the laces right there. So yeah. We got looks like a very breathable tongue as well. I mean upper as well. Has the airbag right there. In the toe box, it has a Nike swoosh with like some type of design. And then, like, the rest of this shoe has like a matte finish around the upper. So like right here on the toe box. And also like right here around the Nike swoosh. Right up here in this area. And then on this side, we got a black Nike swoosh. We also have on a little matte pod thing right there. And then on the inside it says, or it has like a King's Pride sock liner to me. And then it has on the inside of the shoe says LeBron. And then on the other side it says James. So yeah, that's about it for this shoe, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.